Hello everyone. Good morning. What? Again talking among yourself? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Niharika, Neetu, Zolo, Gokul, Varisha, Pranathi. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. So much discussion you have done. Nah, daily 3 hours. 3 or 4 hours. Daily 4 hours you discuss among yourself. You do group studies for 4 hours, no? 7 to 11. Surya Kalavati, Sophia, Meghna, Atmika. Shubhodayam everyone. Shubhodayam, Suprabhatam. So in the last class, I think we were talking about degree. In the last class, we were talking about degree. Nah? Degree of carbon, degree of hydrogen, degree of halogen, alkyl halide degree we have studied, degree of alcohol we have studied, and at last we have written degree of amine. Subhodayam, Pushpalata. So last we have discussed degree of amine. We have started with degree of amine. So in fact there were two types of. In fact, there were two types of definition, you can say. Degree definition, we were having two types. Okay, na? One, it was for carbon. Ki how many bonds with other carbon. Same definition is for amine also. Same definition is for amine also. Amine, carbon, degree, definition, same. Clear? Why? What happened to the eyes? All good? One is red or what? So, magical eyes are there. Wait for 10 minutes, it will automatically become white. ठीक है? Wait for 10 minutes. Keep watching it. You will see in 10 minutes it will become white and both will become same. ठीक है? So let's see this. What we were saying na, कि two types of degree definition we are having. One definition in which we were having how many carbon connected. So this definition was for carbon and nitrogen amine. And the other part, the second group is कि it is not decided by that atom. It is decided by carbon to which it is connected. So in whichever functional group, there is only one bond left, like halogen, alcohol, only one bond was left. Hydrogen, only one bond is there. So in this case, we decided on the basis of, in these cases, we decide this on the basis of carbon. So we have said this. So, बताओ, quaternary carbon is possible or not? बोलो, quaternary carbon is possible or not? Quaternary carbon is possible or not? Quaternary carbon is possible or not? Okay. Then quaternary amine is possible or not? Quaternary amine is possible or not? Quaternary amine. Quaternary amine is also possible because nitrogen can form maximum 4 bonds na. I made one R4 plus. ठीक है ना? So these two quaternary possible. So चलो I am giving you one more example. Let's see you are able to do or not. बताओ. You have to tell the degree in each case. You have to tell the degree in each case. You have to tell the degree in each case. So A, B, C, D, E. Chalo. So these all are amines. These all are amines, you can say, and you have to tell degree. Ready? So let's start. Okay, so let's start from the first one. Jaldi batao. First one, what is the degree? First one, what is the degree? 1 degree or 3 degree? 1 degree or 3 degree? So 1 degree. See, nitrogen degree, amine degree is decided on the basis of how many carbon connected to nitrogen. Many people see here and they say, sir, nitrogen connected to 3 degree carbon. No. In case of amine, we see nitrogen connected to how many carbon? Nitrogen connected to how many carbon? Clear? You can do from this side also. NH2 is there, then 1 degree. NH2 is there, then 1 degree. Chalo, next case. 1 degree. Nitrogen connected to only 1 carbon. This one. 2 degree. Nitrogen connected to 2 carbon. This one. This. 3 degree. This one. 1 degree. Last one. Tell me about the last one. What is the degree of last one? Fourth degree. Very good. So are you able to understand how to tell degree of amine? Are you able to understand how to tell degree of amine? And here we have a very important point. See, all these are amine. All these are amine. But they are treated as different functional group. They are treated as different functional group. Just wait, you will see it. Slight redness is gone. So 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, all these amines, these all are amines only. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines. All are amines, but they are treated as different functional group. ठीक है ना? So 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines are treated as what? बताओ? Different functional group. Different functional group. All are amines, but they are treated as different functional group. All are amines, but they are treated as different functional group. Like suppose somewhere 1 degree amine is there, somewhere 2 degree amine is there. So you will not say, ki sir, only one functional group. There are 2 functional group. Like see, if I give you an example like this, देखो यहाँ पे, बताओ, in this how many functional groups are there? Number of functional group. How many functional groups are there? Tell. How many functional? So you will say, sir, this one to amine. Sir, this one also amine. Both are amine. One. No. This is 1 degree amine. This is 2 degree amine. Both are treated as different functional group. So there are 2 functional group present in this. There are 2 functional group present in this. Okay. Acha, one more thing is there. As you know na, amine. There is amine, amine bolo, amine, amine also many people say, amine, amine, whatever you say. There is one more thing, imine, or you can say imine. Imine or imine, jo bhi bolo. What is this, you know? When they see, in all the cases I have written here, see here, see here, see here, all the cases which I have written here, N is connected by single bond. Can you see it? Dekho to. N is connected by single bond. Can you see it? N is connected by single bond. Yes or no? N is connected by single bond. In every case, N is connected by single bond. But if I write like this, suppose there is a compound and I have written CS3, CH, double bond NH. Double bond NH is there, double bond N. Double bond N, this functional group only known as imine or imine. Double bond NH is there, double bond NH. Double bond NH. So this is imine or imine. So a small difference, only one I is different. Amine, imine. So connected by single bond. Single bond NH2, NHN, amine. Okay? But connected by double bond, it is imine. It is imine. So is it clear to everyone? Amine, imine. Amine, imine. Acha, do you remember amide? Amide functional group, everyone remember? Bolo, amide का formula याद है तुमको? Amide functional group, do you remember? Amide functional group. Do you remember amide functional group? Bolo, don't talk among yourself. So much talking chit chat going on, huh? What was the formula? बताओ तो formula क्या था amide का? युवराज. What was the formula of amide? So everyone knows this. Everyone know this, na? Sir, amide is CONH2. Sir, amide is CONH2. Amide is CONH2. There is one more name, imide. See, amine, imine. Amide, imide. What is imide? What is imide? Amide, imide, veru veru. ठीक है ना? So amide, imide. Now double bond, same double bond. बताओ double bond. Do you have a space here? So it is like this. It is like this. See. Here N connected to one carbonyl. N connected to one carbonyl. Okati carbonyl. In imide case, you have to connect two carbonyl. This is imide. Amide case one carbonyl. Imide case two carbonyl. Is it okay now? देख लो. Amine, imine. Amide, imide. So will you do mistake in this? बताओ. Amide, imide. Is it okay? amide, imide, amine, imine. So here we have studied degree, ठीक है ना, degree of amine, degree of alcohol. अच्छा, one more thing you should be careful. बताओ तो, see, is this alcohol? बताओ, is this compound which I have written on the board, is this alcohol? In imide NH2 or NH? अरे NH ना, NH. Because 3 bonds generally, N forms generally 3 bond. You are putting one more carbonyl, so 1 H removed. 1 H removed. Okay, so NH. देख लो. So see here also OH group. But when OH is directly connected to benzene, when OH is directly connected to benzene, then this is known as phenol, not alcohol. When OH is directly connected to benzene, it is called phenol. When OH is directly connected to benzene, it is called phenol. Got the point? So if OH is directly connected to benzene, it is called phenol. But if I write like this, देखो, if I write like this, बताओ, this is also phenol or this is alcohol? This is also phenol or alcohol? Benzenol, we don't use the word generally. ठीक है ना? You will not find it in NCERT. Amide has triple bond. नहीं, triple bond will not be there. Don't worry. Then it becomes cyanide ना. तुम करके देखो. You are saying like this. ध्यान से देखो. C. You are saying कि sir here double bond. Then तो you have said imine. If triple bond, then amine variety is not there. Directly it will become what? One child saying, sir, single bond NH, NH2 and all. Then तो it is amine. Double bond connected, then it is imine. Sir, triple bond connected, then it will become cyanide. Got the point? Batao, now this is alcohol or phenol? This is alcohol, very important. Now you see, I am seeing my eyes only. Is it still red? रो मत भाई, रो मत. ठीक है. So OH directly connected to benzene, phenol. OH directly connected to benzene, phenol. Okay. And OH connected outside, alcohol. OH connected outside, alcohol. Done? Okay. So alcohol, phenol, you have seen the difference. Alcohol, phenol, alcohol, phenol. Acha, can you tell me what is the degree of this alcohol? बताओ, what is the degree of this alcohol? बोलो, last question. After this we will move to hybridization. Last question. After this we will move to hybridization. Why are you writing O between? O between what? Four degree you are saying, are many saying 4. Why you are saying 4? Huh? Phenol, alcohol part to see, O having only one bond. O having only one bond left. O having only one bond left. So I will tell from carbon. What is the degree of this carbon? 3 degree, na? So this is 3 degree alcohol. 4 degree alcohol is not possible only. Clear? So you'll have to revise the things. Don't do small mistakes. आ जाओ. So next part we are going to study is hybridization. So hybridization, basic thing we will study. Basic things. Basic only. Like what? First we will tell steric number. We will define one word, that is your steric number. We will define on one word, that is your steric number. Steric number is number of sigma bond plus lone pair. Now see, again this word is coming, lone pair. What do you mean by lone pair? I have written the formula, sigma bond plus lone pair, but lone pair I will not use now. So don't worry, we are going to take easy examples. We will not use lone pair now. But we should know what is lone pair. Dot dot. क्या बोलेगा? Dot dot बोलेगा ऐसे. Huh? You will have to say like this, कि sir, there are two types of pair. One is bonded pair, which are forming bond. Those electrons are known as bonded pair. And if electrons are not forming bond, then they are known as lone pair. Like you say na, single couple. What do you mean by single? Non-bonded. Couple means what? Bonded. Same thing here. So if bonded, we call it bonded pair. If they are not making bond, then we call it lone pair. So what is lone pair? Non-bonded electron pair. Non-bonded electron pair. So we represent it by dot dot. So we represent it by dot dot. Clear? Okay. So Ajao, now we will use some words like what? If steric number is 2, then hybridization will be sp. Steric number 3, sp2. Steric number 4, sp3. There are so many hybridizations, but we will study only this: sp, sp2, sp3. We can also write electron geometry. You can also say electron pair geometry बोल दो, या फिर you can simply say geometry. Means we are talking about shape. sp hybridization is linear. sp2 is trigonal planar. And sp3 is tetrahedral. So when you will study chemical bonding chapter, there are so many hybridizations, so many questions. But now we are going to do very easy questions. And I have told you only 3 hybridization. sp means what? You don't know about orbital also now. So you can just remember one s orbital and one p orbital. sp. sp2 means what? 1s and 2p. 1p, 2p. 3 things. sp3 means 4 things. So what is s orbital, p orbital? Leave it. No problem. We are not interested now. You just know that something is there. You have heard spdf? सुना है क्या? You know spdf? SPD Power Rangers. Chalo, if you have heard it, very good, no problem. But we will not go in that, don't worry. So 2 means 2 things, 1, 2. 3 means 3 things, 1s and 2p. 4 means 4 things, 1s and 3p. Clear? So when we will study atomic structure chapter, chemical bonding in future, you will come to know about it. And these are the shapes. So now we have to only apply this in organic compounds. I will give you easy compounds. You have to just count sigma and lone pair. And I have told you that generally the compounds will not have lone pair also. That means you have to only focus on sigma bond. Pi bond ignored. Pi bond ignored. ठीक है? तो आ जाओ जल्दी से अब. So now I am writing one compound here. You have to tell the name also. बोलो. And you have to tell hybridization of all the carbon atom. बताओ सबसे पहले you tell me what is the name of this compound. What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? ethane. Okay. So now you have to tell ethane. This is ethane. Everyone knows this is alkane, sir. No pi bond, only single bond. So can you tell me what is the hybridization of this carbon? Carbon का hybridization बताओ. Now how to tell? Count sigma bond. देखो, this carbon having how many sigma bond? 4 sigma bonds. Yes or no? 3 with hydrogen, 1 with carbon. Yes or no? Bolo. 3 with hydrogen and 1 with carbon. 3 with hydrogen, 1 with carbon. So we are having what? 4 sigma bond. 4 sigma bond means what? sp3. 4 sigma bond means what? sp3. Clear? This one also sp3. Easy. So if I will write the alkanes, na, you will find ki alkane, all alkane to having sp3 only, because there is no pi bond. All alkane will have sp3. Acha, let's talk about alkene. What is the formula of this, sir? You will say, sir, this is ethene. अब बताओ, what about this carbon? How many sigma bond with this carbon? बोलो. How many sigma bond? बोलो. You will say, sir, total 4 bonds. Sir, total 4 bonds. 1 is pi here. This carbon, 1 bond pi. Then 3 are sigma. 2 connected to hydrogen, 2 connected to hydrogen, and 1 here, Cc. So, sir, 3 sigma. 3 sigma, that means to sp2. This one also sp2. Let's talk about the next one. Ethyne. Acha, do you know the other name of ethyne? Acha, ethene is also known as ethylene. You know this point? Ethene is also known as ethylene. Then ethyne is also known as, bolo. Ethyne is also known as acetylene. Correct, acetylene. Ethyne is also known as acetylene. Ab batao. Now you tell, let's see who is able to tell. What is the hybridization of this carbon? You will say, sir, here the 2 sigma bond only, 1 connected to hydrogen, and in multiple bonds, sir, you have said कि in multiple bond, 1 is sigma and rest are pi. So here 1 sigma this side, 1 sigma this side. So sir, only 2 sigma. 2 sigma, that to sp. Same case. Is it clear? Dekho, all of you are able to understand. All of you are able to understand or not? Clear? So now I will give you mix one. Sir, for imine is sp and ene it is sp2, and for ane it is sp3. You can say like this. You can say like this. See, I have given you a small example. So some people can generalize also. Sir, by seeing the example, I feel कि if alkane is there, then sp3. If alkene is there, then sp2. And if alkyne is there, then sp. Correct to some extent. Initially, when students don't understand hybridization, we tell like this only कि alkane sp3, alkyne sp. But later on, as we will move forward, you will find कि these things we can do mistake. So we should go to the basic counting sigma bond. Simple, because this will help you everywhere. Every time you will not have only alkane, alkene. You will have other things also. Like see, I will mix the questions and I will give you. This question, if you are able to solve, मीन्स वेरी गुड। आ जाओ देखते हैं, चलो डन। ठीक है, सो हाउ मेनी कार्बन आई हैव गिवन यू? सो मेनी कार्बन आर देयर ना, सो मेनी कार्बन, 1 2 3 4 5 6 कार्बन आर देयर। चलो आई हैव नंबर्ड ऑल्सो 1 2 3 4, so it will be easier for you. So I'm giving you time. This is the question. See, stop talking now and focus on this question, everyone. Stop talking now, focus on this question, because in this question if you are able to tell the hybridization means you have understood it, and if you are not able to tell, then problem. ठीक है, so stop talking for few minutes and focus on this question and tell me the hybridization of every carbon atom 1 2 3 4 5 6 starting from 1. Tell me the hybridization. चलो first carbon, I will give you time also. I am not in a hurry, we are having so much time. तो जल्दी से बताओ, everyone should try, everyone should try, everyone. So you will say sir this carbon तो alkyne looking only. ठीक है भाई, alkyne, then sir 1 sigma this side and 1 sigma this side, 2 sigma, so sp, correct, no problem. Come to the second carbon. Second carbon sir, same sir, 1 sigma this side, 1 sigma this side, sp. Is it okay? Tell me the third carbon, जल्दी जल्दी। बोलो। So you will say here, sir, this one to looking like alkene, but I have told you don't do only alkane, alkene, alkyne, count the bonds. Okay, so you will say, sir, 1 sigma left, 1 sigma right, and 1 H. 1 left, 1 right, and 1 H. So 3 sigma means sp2. Now see, focus on this carbon. What you will call this carbon? Alkane, alkene, alkyne, क्या बोलेगा इसको? So for these type of things only we should be ready. बताओ, fourth carbon. If you are saying it alkene, then you will say sp2 hybridization. And here only you will be trapped. So we call it diene. In future we will study diene. Alkene is 1 in, diene, 2 times ene. Okay, na? So something is different. So chalo. So that's why we have told you, don't think anything else, just count sigma and lone pair. So sigma, you will say sir, multiple bond, 1 sigma. Here also 1 sigma, 2 sigma, sp. This is sp2, this is sp3. Is it clear to everyone? देखो 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 देखो, very important topic going on. We will show you in NCERT also. NCERT में भी देखेगा अभी कि where are these questions? Where are these questions in NCERT? We will also see that. Is it okay? Chalo. Okay, so next point. Next point, now we are including some functional groups. We have studied so many functional groups. Third carbon. Third carbon क्या बोला? बोलो. So 1 sigma here, 1 sigma here, 2 sigma, and 1 sigma with hydrogen. Hydrogen also connected, na? Hydrogen. So 3 sigma. Is it okay? Okay. So let's now include functional groups. let's now include functional groups. Like, see, I will write like this to confuse you more. So if I write like this now, first of all, you should write a bit expanded form. Like everyone knows that this is cyanide. So cyanide formula is like this. So write like this. It will be easier for you. Now I am writing CHO. CHO means which functional group? Batao to. CHO means which functional group? CHO means which functional group? Aldehyde. Aldehyde. Okay, CHO means which functional group? Aldehyde. Now what is the structure of aldehyde? You will have to open it a bit like this. So now you have to tell me hybridization of all the carbon. Now it is easier for you. Now it is easier for you. So batao. So I am doing like this. I am doing the numbering ones for you so that we can ask easily. तो चलो इधर लिख देता है 1 2 3. चलो बताओ. Start from the first carbon. First carbon, tell the hybridization. First carbon. बोलो. First carbon. First carbon you will say, sir, 1 sigma this side, 1 sigma this side, 2 sigma sp. Okay. Then what? This carbon you will say, sir, 4 sigma, 1 2 and 2 with hydrogen, 2 with hydrogen, so sp3. sp3. Is it okay? Clear? Last one. Can you tell me about the third one? Come to the third one. Third one. Third one you will say sp2. 1 sigma, 2 sigma. Double bond. 1 is sigma, rest are pi. So easy. Now if I ask you, tell me hybridization of this nitrogen, what you will say? Tell me hybridization of this nitrogen, what you will say? Batao. If I ask you, tell me hybridization of the nitrogen, then what you will say? Bolo bolo. If I ask you, tell me the hybridization of the nitrogen, then what options you have? Zero, 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 huh? You will say, sir, 1 sigma to visible, 1 sigma to you have not said anything. Then how to do? I have told you sigma bond plus lone pair. I told you that generally we don't see lone pair, but lone pairs are present. I have told you nitrogen, when 3 bonds are there, there is 1 lone pair also. You also know oxygen, 2 bonds, 2 lone pairs are there. So these are also important. So here you will get 1 sigma bond and 1 lone pair. So 1 sigma and 1 lone pair. I have told you generally we will not take lone pair now. Generally we will not take lone pair now. But just for fun, we have taken 1. What is that? N. N, when 3 bonds are there, then 1 lone pair is there. So 1 sigma, 1 lone pair. So 2. 2 means sp. Understood the point? Superpower you have seen, na? So these are the superpowers. Slowly and gradually we'll come to know कि all the X-Men powers are present. ठीक है, इधर आ जाओ. What doubt you are having? हो गया खत्म. So now let's see कि where are these examples. Now let's see where are these questions in NCERT. Where are these questions in NCERT? So see, many questions are many questions are there in chemical bonding. Actually, this topic is of chemical bonding only, but we use this in other places also. So you will clearly see some questions. Some questions to at least we can see. देखो 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 देखो. Can you see the first one only 8.1? There are solved examples also. ठीक है ना? There are solved examples also. So let's try to do the first one 8.1. 8.1 exercise. ठीक है? So you have started doing NCERT. So feel proud. Many people are not studying. You are at least knowing something now. So you are ahead of them. तो बताओ जल्दी अब. Can you see the question? कि what are the hybridization state of each carbon atom in the following compound? So let's start from the first one. CH2 double bond CO. बताओ. This carbon, if I ask you, this carbon, everyone should tell. बोलो. Now everyone should tell the answers quickly. Quickly, we will do some questions, then over. Then you can enjoy for next half an hour. But this is the time to study. Sometimes we talk, sometimes we study. We should balance both. It should not be like this, कि only talking. अरे give me your number, where are you from? ठीक है ना? We have to mutually study also. So many people are saying SP, so I go with SP. Whatever you will say, I will write the answer. Wrong, right, you are telling. ठीक है? तो बताओ next one. ये बताओ. SP how? You will say, sir, 1 sigma here, 1 sigma here, 2 sigma SP. Next one. Okay. So 1 sigma and 2 hydrogen, so sp2. 1 sigma and 2 hydrogen, so sp2. Clear? Okay. So come to the next part. We are talking about this structure now. Can you guess what is this structure? बताओ तो. Can you tell me which functional group is there? Can you tell me which functional group is there? Can you guess which functional group is there? How thin you will say? अरे भाई, third one I have written, third one, not the second one. So you will have to think like this, कि sir, we will open it a bit. CS3 means I know, sir. CS3 means last. Okay, ठीक है, लिख लो भाई. CS. अच्छा, you write CS3 like this, or you write CS3 like this. No problem. Sir, one CS3 is there, then one carbon, and 2 CS3. So I will write 2 CS3. चलो ठीक है. One O I have to accommodate. One O. So now you have to think. Carbon should have 4 bond. 2 done. 2 left. So I'll put double bond O. So this is a ketone. This is propanone, in fact. Nomenclature we will see later on, but this is propanone. Propanone is also known as acetone. Common name. Propanone is also known as acetone. Remember this name. This I will ask you in the paper. This I will ask you in the paper. Propanone, acetone. Okay. चलो आ जाओ. So acetone. बताओ. This carbon you can say easily sp3. This carbon sp3. This carbon middle one. middle one. क्या बोलो, क्या लिख दे? sp2. You will say, sir, 3 sigma, 1 sigma, 2 sigma, multiple bond, 1 sigma. Is it okay? See, here they have written cyanide. Can you see this? Here they have written cyanide. So you should open it. You should open it. C triple bond N. C triple bond N. C triple bond N. Is it okay? Clear? Done? So C triple bond N. C triple bond N. Done? Okay. What is the last one? Can you tell me about the last one? Last example one. C6H6. What is C6H6? What is C6H6? So this is benzene. Everyone knows that this is benzene. Okay. So can you tell me hybridization of all the carbon in benzene? Jaldi bolo. Can you tell me hybridization of all the carbon in benzene? Can you tell me hybridization of all the carbon in benzene? Are all carbon having same hybridization? All carbon same or different? Same or different? Bolo. All are same. Everyone having how many sigma bonds? 3 sigma bond. Everyone having 3 sigma bond. This carbon multiple bond, 1 sigma, 2 sigma. Third is pi bond. And fourth one is connected to hydrogen. So every carbon is sp2, 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 sp2. So they can ask you number of sp2 carbon in benzene. Number of sp2 carbon in benzene. What you will say? 6. They also ask generally how many sigma bonds, how many pi bonds and all. How many sigma and pi. So sigma bonds, people forget to count a CH bond. You should not forget. People forget to count CH bond. You should not forget. So have you seen these hybridization questions are in NCERT also. In fact, in the first page or the first question only NCERT. Second question they are asking sigma and pi bonds. And many more things are there. Chalo, I am giving you one homework. This you can do. And then over. One in-text solved example is there based on hybridization. And you will have test. Now it's Friday. So start studying. You should get good marks. Talking will not help only, na? So आ जाओ देख लेते हैं जल्दी से. Where is that question? So much left or what? In next class, what we will do? In next class, we will study some common names. In next class, we will study some common names. Many compounds you will hear, like phenol. I have told you today. देख भाई, देख इधर दिख रहा है. 8.2, 8.3. Can you see? Solved examples are there. So these type of questions may come in your NEET exam also. Don't take things lightly. So this topic is present everywhere. So much important topic. But we have studied the basic part. In future, you will also study sp3d, dsp2, sp3d2, d2sp3, like these things. Okay? So just we have taken 3 only. Dekh lo. So these questions you should try once. See, same question. Exercise and solved example. Same. एक बार जल्दी से बता दो, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज दिस? व्हाट फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज दिस? बता दो, व्हाट फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज दिस? हाँ, पीडीएफ वी शेयर ना, एट लास्ट वी विल शेयर दिस स्लाइड, QR code will be there. Clear? Okay, so what is the functional group? jaldi bolo, I have to also go bhai. Quick. Amide bhai, amide. This is HCONH2, amide. One carbon. This is also known as methanamide. So nomenclature we don't know. Methanamide. ठीक है ना? तो चलो, that's it. So this is the QR code. I have given you enough questions to practice also. You can practice these questions. There are 7 to 8 questions in this. Say shapes also I have told you a bit na, shape. sp2 trigonal planar, sp3 tetrahedral. So these things you can revise. देख लो, आ गया. Done? So enough for today. Chalo. Thank you everyone. Bye. Study nicely. See, studies and talking both should go together. More focus on studies, less focus on talking. But both will go together. You should not do reverse. If you will do reverse, marks will go down quickly. ठीक है? चलो, ठीक है. Thanks everyone. Bye. What when you will teach? Any other problem? Chalo, love you all. Thanks everyone. Bye.